Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we're going to laser engrave plate glass. Now the nice thing about glass is that when we laser engrave it, you get a very nice texture to it. So you can see here it almost looks like a snowy sort of result. It's a little bit different than sandblasting, because sandblasting, what you end up with is you're actually carving into the material, while with our CNC laser what we're actually doing is micro-shattering the glass at the very top layer. So it's a very different effect. When it comes to having edge lighting on these kind of things, you can't really tell the difference unless you go really deep on the sand carving. Now we do have an industrial sandblaster here in the shop. I use it for mostly cleaning metal parts and that kind of stuff. I don't do a lot of work with the with glass on the sandblaster, and the only reason is the laser does such a good job and it's very precise. The one drawback from sandblasting is that you can have overspray and underspray under the mask that you use for it, and with the laser you just don't have that issue, and also the results are a lot sharper. Now this specific project here was on a 3/4 inch glass, so it's very thick glass, and when it comes to sandblasting something that thick, it's a little bit more challenging when you have something large, because it doesn't actually fit into the sandblasting booth that we have here in the correct orientation. But because we have a big laser, we just put on the bed and let the laser do the work. Now when it comes to your design options, literally any kind of font works, and like I did for this one here, we reversed engraved it, meaning that if you want to clean the glass, the front of it is totally clean and flush, and because the engraving is done on the back part of it. So that's why they call it reverse engraving. So when it comes to design options, literally anything, any font, any size, any mix and match of images, whatever you want, as long as it's a vector. If you just send a bitmap, it'll end up being jagged and it's not a very nice result. While vectors or mathematical based I guess, lines and stuff like that, and curves. So everything's nice and sharp when you go to a very high resolution. So if you're looking for custom glassware, contact me at CNCKing.com. We can do it on flat stuff, we can do it on wine bottles, we can do it on cylindrical, or what have you. Whatever you have in glass, we could etch it somehow.